What's up fam, it's your boy Mohamed Safar and we are back with another vlog. Today we got a huge haul to unbox with you guys. We have a lot to show you. So without further ado, let's get this video started. Alright, so let's start off with the biggest box we have, and obviously as you can tell, it's 1000% bear brick. Funny thing with this is that I didn't actually intend on buying this recently. I did place a bid on this a while ago for a very good price, and it actually hit. So let's get this box open. So let's go ahead and check this out. And here we have the 1000% Spider-Man black suit bear brick. This is the second 1000% Marvel bear brick I actually own. I might be adding a few more just because they've been releasing a lot of cool ones lately. And now I'll show you guys my sneaker pickups. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So let's go ahead and do this one at a time. So we're doing this in no particular order, so let's go ahead and start with the first one. And we do have, of course, a New Balance box right here. And I think you guys know, because I already mentioned that I really like these in the past. We have another colorway in the protection pack, 2002R. Here we got the navy colorway. This is honestly perfect because it literally goes with anything. And if you guys haven't seen my last video on my New Balances, these are super comfortable. And these are the 2002R in the navy colorway protection pack. Next up, we have another New Balance box, and of course, it is another color of the protection pack, which is the black colorway. They did release 4 colors, I think gray, black, navy, and tan. Like I said, very comfortable sneaker to wear, so you might want to have them in different colors. This is pickup number 2, the protection pack in the black colorway. Next up, we got a Nike box, and obviously here from the side, you can already tell it says ambush. So you did see me pick up the blue and green colorway of this very sneaker in the past. And now we're adding the beautiful white colorway. Now this color obviously is a lot more wearable than the blue and green, so they obviously sold out a lot quicker, but I think you might be able to find a few sizes still left. Like I said in the past, I really love how the swoosh is just sticking out from the back over here with the Ambush brand name on the back. Very simple sneaker and awesome collab for the Air Force One. And this is pickup number 3, the white Ambush Air Force One. Next up, of course, I'm sure you guys guessed it, another Ambush box, and this must be only the black colorway, as if it could be anything else. But yeah, this I think is the most wearable out of the 4 color of Ambush Air Force Ones they released. But also, same thing with this, I believe you can still grab them in a bunch of retailers. So this is pickup number 4, the black colorway of the Ambush Air Force Ones. Next up, we do have an SB box right here. And of course, this is a late pickup because they did release this a while ago and just restocked randomly with a few sizes that frame, so I went to pick that up. And these are the SB Skate Like a Girl. Really nice materials all over the SB, and I like what they've done with the tongue here, where they've showed that it's kind of deconstructed and opened up on the top. You don't see that much on SBs, but you have seen them mostly in Virgil's work, which is really cool. You got this really nice corduroy maroon inside and very nice materials all over the sneaker. And this is pickup number 4, the SB Skate Like a Girl. Next up, we have another black Nike box with a little Supreme logo on the side, so I'm pretty sure you guys might know already what it is. Here we have the Supreme Bacon. Now this silhouette is a very underrated silhouette with Nike. It's a really cool basketball sneaker actually. They did release this in this colorway in Supreme and an all white colorway. I went ahead and picked this one up just because I like this a little bit more. I might add the white colorway later on in the future, but yeah, I really like the NYC here on the back and all the other Supreme details that you can see, as you can tell, of course, the hang tag over here and on the tab on the back. Very underrated sneaker and very slept on, and this is my 6th pickup, the Supreme Bacons. Next up, we have a beautiful Jordan 5 box, and of course, we had to add this beautiful blue Jordan 5 in the collection. Now this very sneaker is actually based off of the UNC 5 PEs, and of course if you guys want to tell if it's based off of a PE, you'll actually notice this tag on the back. Whenever I think you see this tag on the back, it means that it's based off of a PE. We've seen it with the Oregons, the Michigans, and a bunch of others, but yeah, they actually put it over here. I'm actually not a huge fan of this tag on the back. I think it kills the sneaker, but of of course, it wouldn't be fair for the people that have the actual PE to have it something so identical. So they went ahead and put this, in my opinion, makes it look a little uglier, but I'll take it because it's a sneaker you can get for retail. Pickup number 7, the UNC 5s. Next up, we have a very beautiful Jordan 4 box. Now, this very sneaker actually sold out super quick here in Dubai. I wasn't able to grab this in Dubai, but my brother picked it up for me in London. Very lucky to find this very sneaker. Very wearable colorway in my opinion. And this is pickup number 8, the Jordan 4s. And next up, we have another beautiful box. And of course, we have the SB Jordan 4s. Honestly, I'm gonna say it from now, this is one of the top 10 sneakers of the year for me. Just because you guys already know I'm a huge Jordan 4 fan and an SB fan. Having the two Nike brands collab together and come up with a Jordan 4 is just beautiful. And of course, you guys know the details already on the sneakers. They made this very soft and rubber, so it wouldn't injure anyone that's actually skating. I will wear them very soon, but I've heard they're super comfortable just because they actually made it for skating. And I think it's an actually different feel compared to the regular Jordan 4s. Super nice color combination. You got, of course, the gum bottom, the gray suede over here, the pine green, and a cream white leather, not similar to the white over here, slightly different, but overall, super nice colorway. I highly recommend you guys pick this up, even for resale. And this is pickup number 9, the pine green Jordan 4 SBs. Next up, we got a Nike Dunk box, of course, and we have the Dunk Valentines. Yes, we're not near Valentine's, but my brother picked these up for me a while ago when he was in London and just got them recently right now. Very cool colorway to wear on Valentine's. And here's pickup number 10, the Valentine Dunks. And last but not least, we do have a very cool looking box, of course, and I'm sure you guys know already, it's the Union collab. We have the Jordan 1 KO Unions. Not a lot of people are actually fans of the KO, but I do collect them. I do have a lot of Jordan 1 High KOs in my collection. But yeah, this is a super slept on sneaker in my opinion because you can actually still see them sitting in stores. And what's different about these, of course, you got this removable swoosh, which is really cool. I really like it when they do it on any Nike silhouette. And I always look forward to Union collab with the Jordan brand. So this is pickup number 11, the final pickup, the Union Jordan 1 KOs. So these are all the sneaker pickups I have for you guys today, and now to show you guys a quick 360 look on these sneakers. Now, if you guys enjoyed this episode, make sure to smash the like button. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you guys are not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I look forward to seeing you guys very soon.